Suddenly, the lux factor has shot up.
I'm pretty happy. This is hot. Look at that. Somebody paid attention, guys.
The judges were literally gushing when they came into your room today.
Geez, when they said they were gushing, I wasn't sure if they were going to be gushing with tears. But then I was like, oh, thank goodness.
You've got this bold green and then this lovely sort of muted navy. There's lots of colour. It's not overwhelming. There's lots of texture. Can you tell I love it? I love it.
I can tell you love it. Jess said to me, you can't use blue and green, can you? I said, you absolutely can.
Blue and green can definitely be seen together, according to Neil.
I always do love bed heads that go the width past the bed and do the bedside tables. And it's absolutely gorgeous and works really, really well.
Shona also loved the wall sconces, but she was afraid of how dark the room may be when just using these.
Straight away, I'm looking at those wall sconces, which are stunning. And then I sort of look here and we've got 2 lights over there.
I know exactly what you mean.
In the evening, let alone not even read a book, you could hardly find anything around that part of the bedroom.
She also went looking for the light switches to operate them, and there aren't any.
You have to get out of bed to turn the lights off.
Ah, they're at the end of the door, but you don't need it. You talk to Alexa.
Look, there is a note at the door that said to turn the lights on and off, you say, Alexa, turn on lights.
Right.
Why wouldn't you just have the plan to have it somewhere sensible so you can switch the plug on and off?
So you're relying on switches on the wall as you walk in, but when you're in bed, you've got to turn the switches off with the voice control with Alexa, or get out of bed and turn them off.
You need something to override that if the internet does go down.
Yeah.
And that's the problem. And just having those 2 little switches there doesn't work.
We didn't have light switches. We need to talk to our electrician.
We're the directors. It's not our electrician's fault. It's direction. We need to direct them what we want. So it's not their fault. It's our fault.
We do need to make it more functional.
OK, I just want to check, because I can't immediately see PowerPoint.
At least there were PowerPoints, because Shona found the phone charging cables hanging out from under the pillow.
Oh, here's a charger.
Where's it going?
But a slight tug. And it turns out they weren't plugged into anything at all.
There's no PowerPoint.
What? Nah, there's got to be a trick somewhere.
There's no PowerPoint.
There is another cable over here.
They were behind the bedhead, weren't they? They pulled the cords out that you left to try and tell them that there was PowerPoints there, but there was no PowerPoints there.
Someone's having a little joke
Let's
with
pull
us.
the bed out. You ready? OK. They have one right under there that is the most annoying PowerPoint in the whole wide world. No, they did not think that through.
No, I don't think so either.
That is very cheeky, let me tell you. You can't fool them.
I know.
Well, as Darren said,
That
Yeah.
is just an insult to our intelligence, I think.
No, it wasn't.
you wanted to create the illusion of perfection, but unfortunately, Darren said,
In all seriousness, that pisses me off.
Oh, no, I love him.
they're late for that.
Oh, no.
Well, it still looks beautiful.
It does,
You can't take that away from them.
But it doesn't function. What's the point?
Well, we've seen this time and time again.
Yeah.
Style over substance. Alexa, can you fix the functionality?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Neither am I.
Oops, eh? But they regrouped and decided to stay and judge the rest of your room.
Good.
They all thought the wardrobe was amazing.
I love this panel profile. I love the handles. Ooh, wow, look at those internals.
Yeah, beautiful.
That linen finish is beautiful.
Yeah.
And the drapery, which has become something of a signature for you, was very well executed again. The study area joinery was also very well designed, although the styling was a bit of a letdown here in the luxe stakes.
Even though the joinery is spectacular.
This was to find the PowerPoints.
Execution-wise, the room has been done very well. Cutting in is very good.
On these height walls, oh my goodness, what a challenge.
Yes.
Big picture, the room is very good. They think you have demonstrated today that you deserve to be in the penthouse, and you should stay on this track with your approach to your furnishing and styling. But pay more attention to your functionality. That's it.
We'll take that.
We've served up a great room. The judges, they loved it.
Loved it.
It's just our functionality.
At the end of the day, we love Darren. And if he's going to get frustrated that we've got a couple of endless cables, guy needs to go to meditation. Like, you can't ruin your day over a couple of cables
Jesus,
that aren't
let's
plugged into
try
the
and
room.
win him over, eh?